Hi, it's Kate with WTI, and I want to show you the coolest label maker that I got from MokerLink. So this is the B21, comes with one free roll of labels, but you can get all sorts of different sizes for whatever your needs are. Now, the first thing that stands out to me is the design. I love this green color. It's got such a retro feel to it. Really, really awesome looking label maker. It's really easy to use too. All you do is download the Nimbot app, and then you connect it via Bluetooth. So it's all wireless, which makes it really convenient. And you can design all sorts of things with this app. You can really let your imagination go wild. You can even use pictures. So if you have the picture of your kids or maybe of your dog, you want to make a label, you can upload a picture. You can do QR codes, you can do different fonts, different sizes, different styles. They have all sorts of little images built in too, so you can customize your labels with whatever you want. So you design it all on the app, and then you tap print and it comes out instantly. You can also do multiples of the same design if you want. I think this would be incredible if you have a little business and you want to do customized labels for your business. Perfect. Or if you just want to get organized, organize your cupboards, organize your life, this is a really great way to do that. So if you're looking for a label maker, this works fantastic. It doesn't require ink, it's wireless, super easy to use, and I think you'll love it. And that's my point of view.